Compound and mixtures. Different elements combine to form a compound. Let us consider an element 1 and element 2 to form a compound. For example, iron can combine with sulfur on heating to form iron sulfide compound. Iron is a metal. It's hard, gray, and conducts heat and electricity. It is also magnetic, whereas sulfur is a non-metal. It's brittle, it's yellow, it doesn't conduct heat and electricity. It's a non-magnetic material, whereas iron sulfide is non-magnetic. It does not conduct heat and electricity. Here, iron sulfide is the compound that is obtained from iron and sulfur. Iron sulfide loses the properties of iron. For instance, it is non-magnetic, whereas iron is magnetic. Similarly, iron sulfide does not conduct heat and electricity, whereas iron conducts heat and electricity. So, in iron sulfide, that is a compound, iron and sulfur are chemically bound but exhibit different properties. Let us consider mixture. Different elements or compounds just mix together, but they are not chemically bound. For instance, air is the mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases, and also water vapor.